Okay, last two problems. Again, they're application problems that they get a little bit simpler from here for the most part. Sum of three numbers is 58. The difference between the smallest and largest numbers is 16, and the largest number is equal to the sum of the two smaller. So we're going to just call these three numbers A, so A, B, and C. And as A is smaller than B, which is smaller than C. And that's kind of implied in the problem. So when we add them, we get 58. So A is the smallest, and C is the largest, and B is in the middle. My cursor. All right, so they tell us that the difference between the smallest and largest numbers is 16. So C minus A equals 16. And the largest number is equal to the sum of the two smaller. So C is equal to A plus B. What we can do, okay, now I could arrange these all into standard form, but you should notice that I can substitute my third equation into the second equation and eliminate, no, that's not going to work. I gotta work with both of them. So one thing we can do, okay, here's what we can do. We can take a look at that second equation and solve it for C. So C is equal to 16 plus A. And now I can put that C into both equations, both equation 1 and 2. Okay, so 1 is A plus B plus C equals 58. And I'm going to put 16 plus A in for C. Lots of ways to do this. This just seems to be the way that makes sense to me. Plus B equals 58 minus 16, which is 42. Okay, so put the A's together, subtract 16. Didn't quite show that step. Okay, now let's take C and put it into equation 3. I'm using equation 2 to substitute, so I've got to put it into the other 2. So 16, equation 3 says C equals A plus B. When I put in 16 plus A for C, then I can actually solve for B with that. Gee, I wish I'd done that first. So negative A, B equals 16. Hey, by the way, I noticed this in these problems. When they tell you that the difference between the largest and the smaller is some number, that's always the value of B. Well, I thought I'd get there algebraically before giving you that little piece of information. Okay, so I'm going to take that B, I'm going to substitute it back into my previous, just basically working backwards. Looks like 29. Let's try that again. Should have did my subtraction. Oh, I think it's going to be, 26. So it looks like A is 13. And then A plus B plus C is 58. So 13 plus 16 plus C equals 58. Looks like 29 plus C equals 58. And let's subtract 29. So you subtract 30 from 58 is 28. Looks like 58 is going to be 29 as well. So C equals 29. So smallest number is 13, and then 16, and then A plus B is C, so 29. Okay, Last problem. Actually, I better end this because this problem's going to take a bit.